Home Remedies presents How to Cure Acne. Hey guys, today's video is going to be surprising as many of you wouldn't have thought about this way of using nutmeg. Yes, you heard it right. The main ingredient of today's recipe is nutmeg. If you have clogged pores or oily skin that is prone to acne, nutmeg is something you should try for sure. The recipe is very simple. Let's see how you can do this. Ingredients: nutmeg powder 1 teaspoon, cinnamon 1 teaspoon, honey 1 teaspoon. Procedure: mix all the ingredients thoroughly in a bowl and apply the mixture every morning. Your face will feel warm and tingly as the nutmeg gets deep into your pores, treating the deeper layers of your skin. Keep it for around 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse with lukewarm water. It greatly helps in alleviating acne and reducing scars. Do this for 7 days and note the difference for yourself. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.